So today we're going to be graphing quadratics in standard form. So it's very similar to the other methods that we have learned, but this time you have to find your vertex. And to find your vertex, you're going to be using this formula here that x will equal negative b over 2a. And then you're using this b here and the a here from the equation. Once we get that value, we're going to actually plug it into the entire equation right here, and that will give us our y value out. So let's see what number 1 looks like to find our vertex. So you're going to say x equals the opposite of our b over 2 times my a. You're going to have 12 over 4, so our x value of the vertex is 3. So we're going to plug 3 into the actual equation here. So you're going to have 2 times 3 squared. So you get 1 out. I'm going to type that in. So that's the y value. And then I'm still going to pick one number above and one number below my vertex for my second and third point. So you can plug 2 in where all these 3's were, and you will get out 3. And if you plug in 4, you will also get out 3. You just plot those in your U shape and you'll be done. On this one here, when we do your negative b over 2a to find your x value, there is no b, so your b would be considered 0. So you have 0 over 2 times negative 3, your x is 0. Plug 0 into your equation, and you should get out 5. That's the y value of your vertex. Still pick one number above and one number below to plug into here. So I plug in 1 into there. I'm going to get out 2. If you plug in negative 1, you will also get out 2. You can go ahead and plug it in and check. Once you plot those 5 dots, those 3 dots, sorry, up at 5. There's your vertex, and there's your parabola. It was negative, so it is pointing down, so that's a good thing to check. All right, last one here. The opposite of b is 1. Your vertex is 1. Plug that into the equation right here to get out your y value. So we get out negative 2.5. So your vertex is 1, negative 2.5. Pick a number above and below. You're shooting out negative 2. So 0, negative 2. The domain is still negative infinity to infinity. Your range is still the y value of your vertex, just like it was in the last lesson. So we'll call that k. So if it opens up, we'll say k to infinity. And if it's opening down, you're still going to say negative infinity to your k value. Just doing your domain and range for all of these now. So I went ahead and wrote down the domain for all 3 of them on negative infinity to infinity. The range on 1 and 3 have the bracket 1 to infinity and negative 2.5 to infinity because they open up, and 2 opened it down. So that's why it's negative infinity to 5.